Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. So if you're anything like me, you have a passion for video games and especially the old arcades from the 80s and 90s. I'm a kid of the 80s and 90s and I hung out in arcades in the malls, in pizzerias, in ice cream shops, in the roller skating rinks. Basically, any place that had one or two machines I would consider an arcade. We actually have a few barcades that have popped up around over the course of the past few years, but due to the COVID restrictions in my state, a lot of them have been shut down. MagFest, which is the music and gaming festival that I go to every year, did not take place this past year. They had to cancel the event. And another place which was scheduled to open last year in March, a place called Reclaim Arcade in Fredericksburg, Virginia, had to completely scrap their opening plans and figure out an alternative. So they had an official opening the beginning of this year, and I'm happy to say that they are doing gangbusters. So a friend of mine rented out the arcade for 2 hours for 20 of us to go play. Everything is going to be on free play. I am super excited to check this place out. They have a number of pinball machines and somewhere over 75 arcade machines. These guys are game collectors and game restorers. They have really cool expansion plans. So we have about an hour's drive ahead of us, so we need to get on the road. But hey, if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this place. Hit that notification tab because a lot of people that are subscribed to my channel aren't getting notified of new videos. So let's get out of here and go check out this arcade.
Yeah, this is sweet.
It looks like a freaking museum.
Great idea. They got the Chud poster up.
Oh, I love Chud.
This is tight. Oh, look at that.
Here, get a video.